Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials, VS Code and the live server extension. Once you have both, open your project folder in VS Code so the workspace is active. Now locate your HTML file, typically index. HTML in the Explorer, you need a valid HTML entry point. Next, check the extensions pane and confirm live server shows as enabled. If not, enable it. These steps get you into a ready state quickly, so you can launch the server. Once done, right-click your HTML file and choose Open with Live Server, or click the Go Live button in the status bar. You will see a browser tab open to localhost with a port number. If the page doesn't load, make sure the live server port isn't blocked and adjust the port in Settings. Search Live Server. Settings, Port. Also configure which browser opens by setting Live Server. Custom browser, so previews match your testing environment and tooling. To finish, save your files and watch Live Server auto-reload the browser. This gives instant feedback as you develop. Make sure workspace files are inside the open folder, because Live Server serves files relative to that root. If things go wrong, first check your firewall or antivirus. They commonly block localhost ports. If that fails, restart VS Code and, as a last resort, reinstall the Live Server extension. These actions resolve most issues and get you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.